Every child should have the opportunity to learn where their food comes from and have access to nutritious food. When we walk into the building, kids are excited. You feel like Hope Gardens is like movie star walking into the building, or a athlete or something, you know, like Hope Gardens, you know. And it's more than just presenting a lesson, it's the way the lessons are presented. We have very caring staff that care about kids. When kids come into the garden, it helps them self-regulate, and often the kids that looked like angry or just having a hard day, you'll see smiles. You know, like, I don't want to leave the garden, I want to keep doing this. And we've heard a lot of stories from parents who say that their kids actually have encouraged them to grow food. We had one student, he was a first grader at West Elementary, they actually came to our heirloom plant sale because he kept insisting with his parents that he wanted to have a garden. When kids see something they started, like a seed that they planted, and they watch it grow, it does something. It gives them this sense of like, hey, I did this. I think that's the beauty of like a seed, right? We see how a seed, and sometimes we've done this with, like, show a kid like a little sunflower seed, you know, how many sunflowers will you get out of this seed? We would love for you to partner with us. I think providing kids this opportunity to learn where their food comes from, it is, to me, it's very impactful. But also, like, what could this do, like, for their future? Like, what could this do for their community? I mean, these students are our future growers, our future policymakers, our future parents, our future, you know, workforce, and they're going to be making some decisions too to help our community.